In the last session, we have discussed what are the different types of browsers, sorry, different types of IDEs we have, and what will be the different modes in it, and all we have discussed in the past class. And we are continuing with how we can able to declare a variable in Python language, and how we can able to access its value. That we'll discuss. So as we discussed in the previous session, there is no specific syntax in Python for declaring the variable. Whenever we are assigning some value to it, automatically it is going to be considered the data type is so and so. So based on that, if you see, will be how we can able to see this and all. We'll discuss with an example in the IDE. So now I'm going to be take Jupyter Notebook. So we have discussed what are the different modes of the Python IDE, like it is a script mode or interactive mode, how we can able to use it for execution. If it is a single line of instruction, we will be using the interactive mode, and we will be using the script mode for um, writing one instruction or more than one instruction. In the script mode, we are going to be save the data. We are going to be save the instructions what we have written in Python language, and then we are going to be executed with a .py extension. Without saving, we cannot able to execute it. But if it is an interactive mode, like a command, we can able to write the command and we can hit on enter. It is going to be get the output to us. So it depends on the situation we are going to be use it. Say now, a is a variable where I have assigned the value as 10. A is a variable where we have assigned the value as 10. So in this particular case, how we are going to be use this, we'll see. Now, automatically, the variable a has been declared, and the declaration has been done with the help of the variable uh, by assigning some value to it, by assigning some value to it. So when we are printing this, we are going to be get. So now this is an integer value. We have assigned the integer value over here. This is an integer value. We have assigned the integer value over here. So later, if we want to change this particular value, so for same a, I'll be giving as high. So previously I have given integer, and now I'm going to be use the string. So then even it is going to be display the string for us. Even it is going to be display the string for us. It means reassigning will be possible. Reassigning the different type of data to a variable will be possible in Python. So because we are not using any specific syntax for declaring the variable, so it will be helpful for us in this way. Without initializing the value to a variable, if I'm using it directly, we are going to be get a error. Now, see, B is a variable. I didn't initialize any value to it. I didn't initialize any value to it. Because of that, we are going to be get the error as name error. Name B is not defined. Name B is not defined. So like this, we'll be getting the error. Definitely, we need to use like other programming languages. We don't have a specific syntax for declaring a variable in Python along with the data type. Just by initializing a value to it, we can able to declare it. So we have discussed how we can able to declare the variables, and we'll see with the print statement how we can able to work. Next concept, print function. User to display the output, the console or command prompt. Command prompt. See, if we want to print the content as it is, we are going to be use the print statement either in double quotes or in single quotes. If I'm starting with the single quotes, it is going to be end with single quotes. If I'm ending with double quotes, it has to be end with double quotes. Otherwise, it is going to give the error. If you have any variable and that variable, it has to be display, that variable value, it has to be displayed, since in that particular case, print A. So without using the quotations, we can able to write those instructions. So then whatever may be the value we have in that particular variable, then it is going to be display that particular value, what it will contain. So now we'll see this concept. Print content, hello world or hello Python. See, the content, what we want to get as output command prompt that has been mentioned within the double quotations. That has been mentioned within the double quotations. The same we can able to mention within the single quotations as well. So if I'm starting with single quotations and if I'm ending with the double quotations, then it is going to give the error. Then it will give the error, syntax error. Then it is going to give syntax error. So if I'm starting with single quotations, it has to be end with single quotations. If we are starting with double quotations, it has to be end with double quotations even. So you can observe this. So with the single quotations, we'll write. So we are getting this error. We are getting this error. So either single quotations we can write or in double quotations we can write, but not in both. Suppose we have C is value 100. If I want to print the value of C, so we are going to be display like this. Value of C we are going to be get. So this C is a variable here. C is a variable here. Print C innocence. Print C innocence. It is going to be display what the value we have there as it is. It will display. Now sometimes it may require for us like uh, some content and the variable value like value of C, value of C, and then we have to get C. So now we are going to be write like this. The content what we want to display as it is that we are going to be write in the single quotations or in double quotations, comma, whatever may be the variable value we need to display, we are going to be write that particular variable. We are going to be write that particular variable. Like this, we can able to access the value with the help of print statement. Next concept we have related to input. Input function. User to accept input. With the help of input function, we can able to accept the input. So how we will do that and all we'll discuss. So next continuation. Variables operators will see. What is the purpose of using operators here? See, operators is nothing but we are going to be perform the different content like a plus b. In this particular term, a comma b are operands, plus is the operator. Altogether, it is going to be perform some task, that is operation. Altogether, it is performing some operation which is called as operation. A, B are operands, plus is the operator. Altogether, it is performing some content, that is called as operator. Sorry, operation. Now, the different types of operators. Different types of operators. Different types of operators. Different types of operators. Arithmetic operators. Assignment operators. Relational operators. Logical. Bitwise operators. And we have some special operators. First, we'll discuss what are the arithmetic operators used to perform arithmetic operations. Used to perform arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operators we have here? We'll see. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modular division, exponentiation. Okay, we'll discuss these examples in the next session.